All right, welcome back to the Jason Gray Show. Let's talk about Chicago. What a shithole that place has turned itself into. I'm sorry if you live in Chicago, by the way. Get the hell out of that place if you live there. So 52 shot this weekend, 10 killed. Last weekend, about the same numbers. I mean, if you're talking about 10 people dying in a weekend in one city, that is an out-of-control situation. Is this worse than like Iraq or Afghanistan or wherever violence is happening right now? I mean, it is literally crazy to me that we're having this conversation in the United States. Now, remember, Chicago has the strictest gun laws in the United States. What is that doing to help you? Nothing. If criminals want guns, they're going to get guns regardless. So there's one article talking about that. There's a video out there. Go look for it. Search it from this weekend. A machine gun. And they're just spewing bullets just randomly into an area, and unfortunately it kills a kid. I mean, I don't know what's happening there. And I know that people don't want to reinvest in those communities because they get looted. And they're like, well, why do we even open up something or create something for the communities? It is absolutely sad that the mayor of Chicago has not got this under control. They're not doing things and resources to help these people out. There was complaints from the citizens saying, hey, you're bringing these illegal immigrants into our areas and you're supporting them, but you're not supporting us. They're getting pissed. And when communities get mad, it turns to an out of control situation. And unfortunately, Chicago is out of control. It's super sad. And I don't know what, if I was the governor, I don't know what to do. I think I would crack down really hard. I would actually bring in the National Guard in. And I know that sounds very extreme, but bring them in, do something for the community to sort of stabilize things. I know it's going to cost a lot of money, but you have to do something to stabilize the community. You have to bring in manufacturing. You have to bring in jobs, something that gives people a self-worth. And you need to have, a sense of community. You need the churches and the community leaders to step on in and say, please, everyone stop. Let's get this under control. I can't imagine living in that community if you had kids and having your kids go outside. You would be fearful of your kid's life every weekend or every evening. And so I think someone needs to do something about it, and leadership really needs to step up to the plate and get this under control. This is not the only city this happens. You talk a little about Baltimore and all these other different cities where this happens. So this is just not the only city it happens in. But the violence that is happening and the killings is absolutely sad. So like and subscribe. Give me your opinions. What would you do if you were the governor of Chicago or any of these big cities where violence happens like this? Let's try to come up with a solution. Maybe we can make a difference. Like and subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.